Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. Today I'm going to show you this vehicle, Activa 1690 and HB. It is a vehicle which will cost nearly €90,000, 7 meters long, 232 wide, 315 at its highest point. Well, for being those who want to be awkward, it's 699 centimeters long. It comes with a large double bed at the back with windows on either side. I've been asked in these situations, where do you sit up in bed? I suppose the corner is always available. We've got these pouches at the back, storage at the back, and in the roof there is a nice skylight. You can close this off via a curtain. On the left hand side, my left hand side I should say, there is a storage, a wardrobe, and I'll put the lights on. Sorry, I came in here without putting the lights on. It was so light I forgot. So there you go. There's the switches. Press this to turn everything on, and that's turned everything on. It appears it remembers from the last time. In fact, nearly all of them now remember. You don't have to go on turning on the lights individually, as was once the case. Right, up down here, you've got the boiler below and a bit of storage above. You've got a step up to your bed, and here, also it's recessed in. Let's look in here. Perfectly adequate toilet and shower unit. And as you'd expect in something like this will move. Come over to the toilet when you want to use the shower. I think this is its default position. Storage in here. We have here a very large fridge. And above it, we've got some more storage up there. And here, right, kitchen block is really large for a 7-meter vehicle. This is one of the advantages, though, I think, of the overcab version. You can not only can you pack people in them, but you can also offer some larger facilities, such as a large kitchen block. It comes with 3 burners. You get a sink. And you get lots of storage above it and below it as well. This over here will convert into a double bed, and of course there's a double bed up front as well. For those who want a bit more space to get in and out of the driver and passenger seats, we can lift this up, thus creating all this space below. I shall put this back down. Oops, sorry. Struts are rather strong. Windows on either side. Enormous window above. So for an overcab, I think these things are really important. I have been introduced to the idea of claustrophobia in vehicles by a couple of people who've talked about their experiences. And I'm aware of this, and it's very difficult to say what is claustrophobic for one person and what is for another, particularly as I don't suffer from it myself. Well, I suppose everybody does to a certain degree, but I mean, it's being something that wouldn't bother me. But if you think you might be claustrophobic, rent it. Always say rent a vehicle first. If you rent it for a few days, and you didn't like it, well, you've had one nasty night or maybe 2 nasty nights, and that's it. But if you spend €100,000 on something and find you claustrophobic, well, that's a bit of a problem. Storage there, and this is on the Fiat Ducato, as you might have noticed. Let's have a look outside. In the door we will find a mosquito net. We should find a mosquito. Oh, there it is. Sorry. I thought it had gone. Window in the door, bin in the door. Coming to the back, there's an enormous garage. I think this one here takes 250 kilos. Absolutely amazing sized garage. Down there we get an idea of the double floor. Hey, I'll take you somewhere else to see the double floor. It's too dark from there. No, I can't take you somewhere else because there's a vehicle right next to it. So, out to look on that one. I'll take you to the front of the vehicle. So, thanks very much for watching. That is the Activa 1 690 HP. I'm in Düsseldorf, Germany at the Caravan Salon. Bye for now.